Hello everybody and welcome to another math video in the enVision's Algebra 2 book. We're looking at topic 4, lesson 3, example 6, use division of a rational expression and try it. Okay, so we're going to model a rational expression by using division. A company is evaluating two packaging options for the product line. The more efficient design will have the lesser ratio of surface area to volume. Should the company use package A, or use packages that are cylinders or rectangular prisms? I don't know where I went with package A and package B. So option 1, a rectangular prism with a square base, and option 2, a rectangular or a cylinder with the same height as the prism and diameter equal to the side lengths of the prism. Let's look at this study tip. Recall that the surface area tells us how much packaging material is needed, and volume tells us how much product of the packaging can be held. Okay, so let's pull this over into my handy dandy notebook and start evaluating this, start looking through it, start seeing what we can do with this packaging. All right, so let's look at option 1. Expand. Option 1. Okay, we have the surface area. Is going to be, let's see, each side is 2x. So 2x, let's see, we have the square part. So we have this area here. So that's 2x squared. That's two of those because we have two lids, two tops and bottoms. And then each side is going to be 4 times 2x squared. I like how I put that on the inside. It needs to go on the outside. Plus 4 times 2x squared. Same coefficient here, so I could combine those to be 6 times 2x squared. I keep putting that on the inside. And me pull it together, man. 2x squared, there we go. All right, and then we have the volume. U-M-E. And the volume of this is going to be base times height times width, which is going to be 2x cubed. All right, in the cylinder, we are looking at the surface area. I'm going to use red for the cylinder and just kind of draw a line going down so I can use the same writing and not have to write surface area. All right, so here the surface area is going to be 2 pi x squared plus 2 pi x times 2x. And the volume is going to be pi x squared times 2x. And remember, pi, we usually use 3.14 as the value for pi. Your calculator does have pi in it, so that makes it a little bit easier. So let's look at the surface area divided by volume. So surface area divided by volume here, because we're going to look at this as a ratio of the surface area to volume. It says it right here in the word problem, just so you know where I got it from. We want the lesser ratio of surface area to volume. All right. So now we're going to look here at 2, this equals 2x squared divided by 2x, 2x cubed. That cancel that, so we're left with 1. So I'm left with 6 divided by 2x. Simplifying that, we get 3 over x. So for surface area, over the ratio is 3 over x for surface area to volume for the container. All right, looking at this guy, I'm seeing if I could do anything here because we have 2 pi That's the greatest common factor times x squared plus 2x squared. Just trying to simplify what's happening on top here, which will then be 2 pi. I see that's 3x squared. Just making sure that I pulled all those out correctly. All right, so in my numerator for surface area, we're looking at 2 pi times 3x squared divided by, multiply this out, 2 pi. X times x is x cubed. Okay, these cancel out. This x takes care of that x. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have done the whole x. This x squared takes care of 2 of those, so now we're at 1. So this is 3 divided by x. So the company can now compare the efficiency ratio of the packaging. So the prism is 3 divided by x. The cylinder is 3 divided by x. So in this example, the efficiency ratio of the cylinder is equal to that of the prism. So the company should choose their packaging design based on other criteria, like, are you shipping a hat? Hats are usually shipped in circular materials, or is it like a round speaker? So it all depends on what's being shipped. And again, packaging materials, maybe how it fits better. So there you have it. There is the modeling study tip here. Is recall that the surface area tells us how much packaging material is needed. Oh, we already read that one. All right, so you can do the try it. This is actually an extra step, so if you don't need to, don't do the try it. I was just giving you the modeling part so that you guys could look at it. You guys could take notes. Per the WAG, this is not part of your assignment. But again, I do want you to start diving deeper, because when we do take the SAT, this will prepare you for that. All right, so I will catch you later.